Okay guys, my name's Randall and it's time for the Harbor Freight June 2022 Instant Savings Deals. Let's see what we can find. The Bauer half-inch cordless compact hammer drill kit, $64.99. That does include battery, charger, and tool bag. We have the Bauer 14-inch abrasive cutoff saw, $129.99, 15 amp. Next up we have the Bauer half-inch heavy-duty low-speed drill and mixer, $57.99, 7.5 amp, 0 to 600 RPM. Got the Hardy full grain leather work gloves, $5.99 a pair. Got the Hardy latex coated work gloves, $1.49 a pair. Got the KN95 mask 2-pack for $1.99. You can get them in white or black. Got the 10-pack non-medical disposable mask. Get them in black or blue, 79 cents a pack. We have the Pittsburgh 50-inch saw guide, $17.99. Got the Pittsburgh 24-inch ratchet and bar clamp, $5.49. Got a 10-pack of the Bauer 4.5-inch metal cutoff wheels, $7.99. The Bauer 20-volt brushless 4.5-inch angle grinder, $54.99. That is tool only. Got the Apache 3800 weatherproof protective case, $37.99. Get them in an orange, a tan, or black. Got the 30 caliber metal ammo can, $13.99. Got a 24-inch by 16-inch 1,000-pound hardwood dolly, $24.99. Got an instant savings price on this butane micro torch, $12.99. Got the 8-bin large portable storage case, $12.99. Got the Icon 3/8-inch drive Pro Grip low profile ratchet, $34.99. Got the Icon 3/8-inch drive low profile ratchet, $34.99. Got the Pittsburgh 3/8-inch drive teardrop composite ratchet for $11.99. Got the Pittsburgh 1/4" drive composite ratchet, $9.99. Got an 1800-watt portable gas generator, $329.99. Great to have if you want to go camping or if you have a power outage. Got the Pittsburgh 9-piece X socket set, $9.99. Get it in metric or standard. Does include 3/8" drive and 1/2" drive. Got the US General multi-rail socket tray organizer, $16.99. Standard or metric. Got the Warrior 2-amp corded oscillating multi-tool, $24.99. Got the Chicago Electric auto dark welding helmet, $39.99. Got the 5" by 7" silver heavy duty tarp, $2.99. 9mm thick. Got the 3-foot 20-amp generator adapter, $19.99. We got the Chicago Electric 30-watt lightweight soldering iron, $4.99. Got the Chicago Electric lead-free rosin core solder, $3.49. Got the Vulcan Defender MIG welding gloves, $19.99. Got the Hallmaster 6-foot by 6,400-pound lifting sling, 2" by 6", $9.99. Got a 7" bench press, $1.49. I went ahead and grabbed one while I was there. They look pretty decent. Got the Merlin pistol grip blowgun, $2.99.